Hey there, how are you today? So the next one we'll look at in this Master Box series is the German Captives one. So you get a nice little picture at the front and you've got that Soviet infantry insignia there, which is pretty cool. It's a pretty nice picture. They're all, pretty miserable looking and he's sort of yelling at them. But I don't think that's how they're going to come out. So this is a classic sign that it's an older one. See, it's got the older pictures they use. So we have in total 5 prisoners and a guard, which is pretty good value. I don't know if there's a price on this one. No, I must have ordered it online. No, I didn't. I bought this out of the shop, but it doesn't have a price on it. No, I don't think it was that much. You got a bit of a colour guide there. So some different colours you can use. There's this German camouflage, something cam beige, and then you've got German uniform. So they're saying to put A on that one, but none of the other ones. The rest are F. But that's, I'm not sure. I want to have a look into that because I was just been thinking about the field grey. Just wanting to make the uniforms a bit lighter, I suppose, like that. So I'm going to be looking into some different colours. But anyway, let's have a look at the sprue. So this is the sprue that you get. Sorry about that. Okay, so the first one here, this is the Soviet soldier. See, he's got a pretty grumpy look on his face. That's a very nice bag. The torso's okay. It's got a bit of depth to it, and that's his rear bag. His hands seem all good. And of course the feet are nice and in proportion. And there is rifle with the bolt. And then we've got the next prisoner. So they do have pretty miserable looks on their faces. With a standard uniform, this guy is going to be holding this jacket over his shoulder. So they've done it pretty intelligently. Then the next guy. So he's got a big frown, no helmet. And you see they've done it pretty smart with the uniforms. So you'll attach that to the jacket there. We've got another one, so look at the miserable look on his face. So for plastic, it's pretty good heads. For plastic, pretty good. Those boots are really nice. Be interesting to see how they come out, eh? And he's got his little thing there, and he's holding onto his shirt or something. And that torso, pretty good. A bit plain, but it's got a bit of depth to it. And he's got a bandage around his head. And then we got the final character here. So that's his head. I do like these torsos. They're pretty good. But yeah, Master Box, I really like the feet. He gets feet really good. Yeah, good work. So that's the sprue you get. The entire sprue. It's not a bad little kit. Alright guys. That's the German Captives 1944 from Master Box. I've got another 3 kits just being put in the post from Master Box. I even got one from Charlottesville, so the American Civil War one, so that'll be cool. And I got some Fallschirmjägers and some Panzer Grenadiers. So they'll be coming in soon. We'll have a look at them. Alright guys, I'll speak to you again soon.